Hello, thanks for coming to my channel, and today we're going to be achieving this eyeshadow look using the Morphe 9C palette. So guys, if you're interested in seeing that, please stay tuned.
Bad girl make you wine to this nana.
Starting with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm applying this to my lids as a base. Now this pencil has a very creamy texture which makes it perfect to use as an eyeshadow base. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my fingers. To make it easier, I'm just going to add some tape to the corner of my eyes. Now I'm using Stone Fox, which is a lovely burnt orange color, and I'm using this as my transition color. I'm using a blending brush to apply it. I think this color is perfect for transitioning for women of color. It's such a beautiful color and it's very pigmented. Now I'm adding Rock Out below my transition area, and this color is a little bit darker than the first one. So it's leaning closer to the brown side, but it also still has an orange undertone. So maybe you won't be able to see this because of the lighting, but it really gave the look some definition, and I'm just extending it out towards the tape a bit. Here I'm still using an eyeshadow blending brush. So now I'm starting to cut my crease. So when you start to do this, you want to ensure that you use a concealer brush that is very flat, so to give you a very straight edge, and you want to take your time while you're doing this. So do this very slowly because you really don't want to make any mistakes here. And I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 55 to do this. So now I'm just adding a little bit more concealer, and I'm trying to extend it out closer towards the tip like I did earlier with the eyeshadows. I'm using Fool's Gold for my lid color, and guys, this is such a beautiful color. Like, I first saw this color on my friend Sasha, big up your damn self, and she was wearing it only by itself, and like guys, it completed her entire makeup. Like, she did not need anything else. It's just really awesome. So now I'm just blending out the two, guys, and I don't know why I have to do my face like that. I really don't know, it just happens. Like, I don't have all the answers. Again, extending it out towards the tip. Now I'm just going over with a blending brush, and I'm using the transition color in Stone Fox, and I'm just blending out a little. So this is what she's looking like. So now I'm going in with Chocolate Diamond, and guys, it's a chocolate color, and I'm just adding it to my outer corners because I want it to pop just a little bit, you know. So this is really gonna intensify it, well, just a little bit. Then, as usual, guys, going in with my transition color Stone Fox to blend. Yeah, blend, blend, blend. So you're not able to see the colors very well, but at the end I'll definitely add some pictures so you can see what I'm talking about the palette. Guys, this palette is really amazing. Like, the eyeshadows have a creamy texture and they're very pigmented, guys, and as you can see, I have no fallouts whatsoever. So I would definitely recommend this palette. So I applied my foundation and now we're just going to finish up our eye look. So to the inner area of my lower lash line, I'm just using an angled brush to apply Fool's Gold. I'm doing this because I'm not lining my lower lash line. Then on the outer corners, I'm using the same brush to add the transition color, which is Stone Fox. Then I'm using the shade Rocco with a blending brush to transition the two areas. So I'm blending the lower lash line up into the upper lid. Now I'm just using my Eyeko liquid liner and I'm doing my wing. Now guys, it's easier if you start off with like a very thin line and then try to build it up. And when you reach the edges where you're going to get the wing, it's easy to just draw a single line and then shade in the rest. And at this point in time, my hands are always trembling, guys, but I think it worked out okay. After finishing the baseline, I'm just going over and filling in any spots that I see. After finishing one side, I'm always worried about what will happen on the other side, guys. So now I'm doing the other side. And guys, I messed up a little bit on this side, but I'm going to show you how you can clean that up. So I'm taking a flat concealer brush and I'm just using some concealer to clean up my wing. After that, I'm going in with an angled brush and I'm just going to blend it out a bit so that it's not too harsh. And I was thinking, since it's a Morphe eyeshadow, why not going with my favorite highlighter, which is my Morphe highlighter in Spark. So now I'm just gonna apply that real quickly. Then I'm using my Maybelline's mascara and I'm applying this to my lower lashes. Guys, I'm going to slow it down so you can see how I really get my lower lashes to pop. For your lower lash line, guys, the secret is to move the wand in a zigzag motion to pick up the tiny strands. So back and forth, back and forth. And I'm just going to do my top lashes. And guys, usually I spend some time doing my mascara because usually I'm not wearing false lashes, so I really try to spend a good amount of time on them. Now I'm lining my lips very quickly with my Imagic lip liner. Guys, I don't know the color because it doesn't have a color, it just came in a pack with many lip liners, but the quality is really good though. Then I'm adding my Jordana lipstick in Eggplant, and guys, this is one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. It gives a soft matte finish, but it's very creamy and it's not drying at all. And guys, it's very affordable. And now we're finished.
This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe, support your girl, and bye. See you in my next video.